if I had to again take a position on it, I'm gonna take the brand name, which is Bitcoin. I'm going to assume that it's the wrong price for the possibilities that it has. And I'm going to assume that the path forward from here is north.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. It's a beautiful parabolic bullish day in the crypto market. Bitcoin has broken $30,000. It's actually over $31,000 right now. Before I go further, please hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, Bitcoin just going crazy this morning, up 5.31% from a 24-hour perspective, up 26.5% from a 7-day perspective. And look at these, look at these green candles here. Very, very bullish, right? That's a beautiful thing, guys. And as always, you know what's coming next, right? A correction. I always keep it real with you guys. I'm excited. I'm here to make money, but you know what's going to happen next. However, that does not mean we're not going to keep going up macro level, right? When you look at things from a macro level. So we're going to have a correction. We're going to probably move sideways and then keep going up. You guys know the market cycles, bull, bear, and accumulation phases. This happens both from a macro level as well as a micro level. So theoretically, right, if this corrects, you could enter back into the market here or buy the dip, so to speak, not financial advice. And then we keep going up. Why? We are on track to $100,000 as per the stock to flow model from Plan B. It is a supply and demand economics chart. It is showing that with the algorithm built into Bitcoin, where the halving happens every 4 years, the supply gets cut, right? We had a halving in 2020, in May of 2020. The supply got cut, and we're seeing record-breaking demand due to global macroeconomic issues like money printing and inflation. A lot of institutional investors and companies are buying up Bitcoin as a store of value, as digital gold. And we are on track. You are seeing the cycles play out here, guys. This is not my emotions, my dreams, my feelings. This is hardcore data. This is the trends. And I always like to point you guys to that. Don't invest with your emotions, and obviously study the charts, study the data, and look at what's repeating. Look at what's repeating, right? And we're seeing the likes of Paul Tudor Jones's, Stanley Druckenmiller, Bill Miller, Guggenheim Fund, Mass Mutual, all these folks buying up Bitcoin and other cryptos. So very bullish. It's awesome to start the day on, or I should say the year, on this very bullish note. And let's see how January plays out. You know, right now there are a lot of regulations and uncertainty coming up, you know, like the FinCEN trying to do AML, KYC. We've talked about this ad nauseum on the channel. These things are going to happen. We cannot prevent them. Reason being, the names I just mentioned, your Stanley Druckenmiller, your Bill Miller, your Fidelity, they're not going to allow the market to be in a wild, wild west like before, unfortunately. Now, I like it like how it was before, but we can't have our cake and eat it too. If you want all this money, this capital to come into Bitcoin and crypto, these are the guardrails they're going to put into place, right? I've said it 1,000 times. They're going to position the crypto market the same way the stock market's positioned, the same way the traditional financial assets and markets are positioned. White glove service, regulation, reporting, analytics, data, all the bells and whistles, right? That's what's going to happen. So you're going to see this month a lot of stuff get rolled out, right? We saw Mnuchin with the crypto wallet regulations. We saw just yesterday exchanges are going to start delisting privacy coins. We talked about it. I don't hold any in my portfolio. I'm not against privacy coins. I actually believe in them. But unfortunately, the reality of the situation is there's a risk to hold them, right? I wish that wasn't the case, but unfortunately, that's how it is. Now, Plan B tweeted the following just a couple hours ago and said, Bitcoin solved the Byzantine general's problem. This solution cannot be undone. It is here to stay. Some ignorati still spread tulip bubble FUD. So I've seen them, the tribalism and the maximalism. And I spoke to some of you XRP maximalists yesterday. The fact that you're wasting your time doing stuff like this instead of focusing on making money, good luck. Good luck. I'm here to make money. I believe in XRP. I believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum. I diversify, and that is making my portfolio look really good right now, because obviously there's an issue with XRP with Ripple right now. It's still holding steady, which is a good sign, but until this lawsuit's figured out, it's not going to be moving or performing well. That's not to say I'm not bullish long term. I am. I haven't dumped my XRP. I'm still holding it, but the Bitcoin I've accumulated, the Ethereum I've accumulated, is carrying my portfolio right now. It's making it look very good. I hope you guys understand that this is not about feelings or emotions or communities. This is about making money, right? And any investment advisor or somebody who has done investing and has a lot of experience will tell you diversification. So important. No, you don't spread yourself too thin, but you can't put all your eggs in one basket. If you put all your eggs in Bitcoin, I would say, dude, that is not smart, right? What if something happens with Bitcoin? What if it fails? Where does that leave you? That's my point. I've always said it on this channel. What if Ripple fails? What if Bitcoin fails, right? And you have to look at this thing logically and from a real world view. So Plan B addressed some of the FUD, saying, people calling it tulip bubble FUD, tether FUD. It has no value FUD, but more and more people understand the magnitude of Bitcoin's invention and the impact on humanity. So some of the people who go out there and say, oh, it's bad for the environment and this and that, they're only focused on the negatives. And you have to look at both the positive and negative, like any rational human being would. And Bitcoin's pros outweighs its cons. And I'm going to say this, guys, this is going to be harsh, but guess what? Bill Miller, Fidelity, Guggenheim Fund, Mass Mutual, Paul Tudor Jones, they're not shedding a tear for you. They're here to make money. What are you here for? For a community to feel good? No, we're here to make money, my friends. And I hope you guys understand why I'm saying these things, because I'm trying to break people out of tribalism and maximalism and to start focusing on what the hell do I have in my portfolio and is it going to make me money, right? What are we doing here? Are we playing games? Man, I'm here to make money. I've said it before. Guys, I want to pay off my mortgages. I want to be debt free. I want to buy a Tesla Model X. I want to do stuff and maybe start a business and stuff. Though I have a plan, I have goals. I hope you do too. And this is not a game of some social community on YouTube and Twitter. Yes, that's fine. It comes with it, but that shouldn't be the focus. The focus should be making a solid return on your investment to make some money to bring you financial freedom. That should be the goal. If it's not, well, good luck. Good luck, right? But I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin is here to stay. So is Ethereum. So is XRP. Diversify. Look at your options. I'm obviously not financial or investment advice. I'm just letting you what I'm doing. And make sure you have a plan of, am I cashing out at what price? Am I lending my crypto via BlockFi to earn interest? Am I storing it long term, right? You guys have seen my cash out video. If you haven't, I'll put a link in the description to it. Have a plan. Know what you're doing. Anyway, guys, so like I said, we're going to probably correct soon, and we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But, Bitcoin has a way of surprising people that sometimes the thing you think it's going to do, it doesn't do, and it does the opposite, right? But that's where you prepare yourself for all scenarios. And the highly probable scenario here is maybe we hit 32,000 and boom, correction, right? We correct back to 25,000 or something. And once again, sideways movement, build a support level like we did here, right? It's just a matter of market cycles, my friends. Nothing goes up in a straight line, right? It has to correct. People take profits, all kinds of stuff. Sometimes, Bitcoin becomes overbought, and, that's how it is. But that's where you just have to have a plan. So it doesn't matter when or how it hits the price. You know what you're doing at that price point. I'm cashing out, whatever, taking profits. I'm dumping, coming back in at a lower entry, all of that stuff, right? But look at this beautiful market cycle playing out, my friends. 2017 is making 2013, 2014 look like a tiny blip. And as I've stated before, this next parabolic run-up is going to make 2017 look like a tiny blip on the chart. That's what's happening. Look at the data, look at the trends, zoom out, look macro level, right? Forget about hourly and weekly charts. I know I'm showing you the price right now, but I'm still looking macro level. I'm zooming out to see, hey, where are we at? Are we on track? And we are on track. So I'm hoping the crypto regulation news that come out this month, though, don't like really kill any momentum that we have. So we'll have to wait and see. But one thing I am bullish on, and I shared this news with you guys a couple of days ago, the VanEck has submitted their Bitcoin ETF once again to the SEC after multiple declines from the SEC. But the big roadblock I think that was there was the asshole Jay Clayton, and he is out, my friends. And those of you in the XRP community and who hold XRP know what I'm talking about. But with him gone, I'm hoping we get the Bitcoin ETF. I'm hoping we get some more favorable rulings for the crypto market. And I'm telling you, once a Bitcoin ETF gets passed, my goodness, the floodgates are going to open like never before. That's why $100,000 Bitcoin, even beyond that, is not far-fetched. And exciting times ahead. Be patient. Have a plan. Forget your feelings and emotions. Think of this thing logically, right? What is your end goal here? Are you here to make money, or are you here to play games and build a social community? I'm here to make money, my friends. And yes, I will keep doing videos once I make money. Probably not as frequent because obviously, like I said, I want to start a business. There's things I want to do. But I'm still going to be talking about crypto because I'm passionate about it. I love the technology. I love the idea of blockchain and where we're headed, the token economy, right? As we've discussed on this channel. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you think we'll see a correction soon? We hit maybe 32,000, correct back down to maybe 25, right? As a support level, and we keep working our way up. Let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.